Today in this video we are going to show you about a software that helps in scrapping HTML theme. So just suppose we have this HTML theme, and if we want to scrap any of the component from this theme, all I have to do is install the software, call this up, put their information around it, and it's done. So let's see how it works. So let's try to scrap this meet our team theme. So this is landing v2. We have opened this thing over here, landing v2. Just copy path, and there we go. So let's see. So we have to add input path, copied and pasted, and we want this theme as, so this is a section with team wraps, section with IDS team wrap. I started scrapping. It approximately takes 1 to 2 minutes to scrap, as it contains a 34,000 line theme CSS HTML. So scrapping takes a little bit of extra time. So the scrapping of this theme is done, and we have to see, this is the scrap folder we have opened. Let's open it. cd scrapped. Let's check it out. We have index.html. let's serve it over here. So it's on 8081, localhost 8081, and there we go. We have this theme. I think the bootstrap is missing, so let's open this. Just go and put it on the VS Code. Just check the HTML. So the missing part is bootstrap. Let's go to bootstrap and just copy this, paste it into the theme, save, and we need to serve it again. And there we can see the whole contact is there. So it is unable to capture the complete theme, but yeah, we can actually change the theme as per whatever is required. So there are some missing component. Almost all of it else is scrapped.